Hey everyone, I'm at the Just Food farm, and just beside the barn there's something cool that you can come check out whenever you're in the area. That's a repurposed planter converted into a worm farm. So they had a couple of these planters that were rusted and broken, so we decided to repurpose it and make it into a big worm farm. So we took off we took off the bottom. You've probably seen the build video here. All we did was make a lid for it out of wood, and it's essentially 8 or 10 feet by 3 feet, filled with wood chips, leaf litter, sawdust obviously from production, and some food from a local juice bar in Blackburn Hamlet, along with all the leftovers from this garden patch that you see. So they, at the end of the season, they chopped everything down, piled it up here, and then from here we added back into the bin. So the worms are doing really well inside. They are going to be overwintered, so we'll find a way to insulate this by just adding a lot of leaf mulch as well as some dried leaves. Close it up for the winter. The worms are going to be able to find their way into the soil because there's no bottom, and once they do that, they'll find some warmth, shelter there for the winter, and come back up in the spring. So that's it. This is good enough to compost, I don't know, 20 to 40 kilos every week. And because it's outdoors, it has to be 3 seasons. You're not going to be able to compost in the winter, but imagine the amount of really good soil that you'll get every year from this.